Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto lock feature on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that you should go to your home page and then click on this three dots button that you can find down below on the right side of the screen. This is this more button, and then click on settings within this section. After that, tap on the third button, which is options. After that you should scroll down until you find the auto lock box, and within this section you can find the allow the device to auto lock feature that you can easily enable by tapping on this button next to it on the right side. So once it turns green, it means that it has been turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.